Hi students, now we are going to see some problems based on last video. In the last video we have done the name of crystal systems, axial distances and axial angles and examples. So how to remember that table? We have done one trick also, that is what CT, OT, HMT. Then start problems. Here in this last video, this is the cubic. This is the last one, so triclinic. Now see that. First point, cubic crystal system is symmetrical system. Symmetrical. Second point, triclinic system is unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical. Now let us see some JEE questions. Which of the following is symmetrical? Symmetrical. Option A, question number 1. Option A, orthorhombic. Rhombic. B, trigonal. C, tetragonal. D, cubic. Students, try to find out that answer. So what they are asking, symmetrical unit system is a solution is symmetrical crystal have same axial distances and axial angles. So that is what A is equal to B is equal to C, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. So that's what in given options the cubic is symmetrical. You have to tick it. Then question number 2, how they are asking in JEE Mains and advanced NEET. This type of questions we are getting. Most unsymmetrical. This is the question. Option A, monoclinic. B, trigonal. C, triclinic. D, cubic. What they are asking in the given question? Unsymmetrical, most unsymmetrical. Most unsymmetrical system has axial distances are not equal. so that A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degrees. So in that most unsymmetrical system has, so axial distance are not equal or not same, and also axial angles are not equal or not same. So that's what is it, which is the given option is right answer. So this is triclinic is right answer. To get the answer in this such a questions, you have to follow the table. See, calculate formula of unit cell. Calculation formula of unit cell. This is very, very important. Let us see that a simple cubic this is a simple cubic unit cell and as 8 corners. These are the corners. These are the corners. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. And as faces, this is the face. Face 1 and face 2, face 3, face 4, and this is front face, and this is back face. Totally how many faces are there? One is top, down, right side, left side, front side and back side. Totally 6 faces are there. These are edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally how many edges are there? 12 edges are there. These are edge centers. Now these are corners, face center, face center, and edges, and this is edge center, is a face center. Yes, this is body center. Body center. This is body diagonal. This is body diagonal. This is face diagonal. This is face diagonal. Yes, this is unit cell as different parts.